So today we're going to learn how to make this design, trending 2026 design that is seen here. So you are welcome to Start by Myke Fashion YouTube page once again. If you're a new watcher, if you're a new viewer here, please, I would like for you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'm going to attend to each and every one of them. So this is the design. I will need you to pay attention. I divided the design, the front parts, into two, and then I joined it, and also leave about 5 to 6 inches downwards depending on the size that you're making. This one is for a child, so that is why that opening is not so much. So just pay close attention. You follow this step by step. We're going to stitch that place. So after stitching there, you just the armhole and get the actual body size. Then we can apply the design to the front piece. Now you can look at the sketch of the design. I sketched the design in the front of the fabric. I think you should also do same. Now you get a different color of the fabric, which is chocolate brown, and just place it over your outline. Make sure you place it in excess, because you are going to be folding the edges by at least 1 inch. Those 3 edges that you can see, you will fold them by at least 1 inch. So make sure you place the fabric there in excess. So I'm going to show you the result. First of all, you're going to apply your facing. Apply the facing to these pieces of brown fabric. Make sure it sticks very well, and then you are going to fold the edges and apply hemming gum underneath. I'll show you the result. So like I was telling you, this is the result. After applying my paper gum, you fold the edges. See how clean this is, right? You do the same for the other side. Now you make sure you place it on your outline. You can see that I've done that for both sides. Placed that. I used pins to hold them down, but you can see that it's not very smooth. And look at that opening as well. So that's the opening. Be mindful that we're going to fold it down by 2 inches. So that's what will be left. I'll fold it. Be mindful of all of these things. Now also note that the edges of the fabric has been stitched together. Hope you can see that. Stitch it together on the sides. So this is what it looks like. Just take off the pins. I want to show you how it looks like. Open that. The edges are intact because we've stitched them together, and this is the down opening. So this is after applying the neck, piping, and all of that. So because I did not want to see any stitches on the body of this clothes, on the design, I decided to use hemming gum to hold it down, and I doubled it so that it will be durable. So you're just going to apply a hemming gum. So you can see that I put the invisible zip in the front because it's a dress for a child. So after doing all of this, you can just apply your sleeves, and then you are done. So you can see this is the result. That's where the zip is. You see how clean the design looks.